This video is brought to you by AI Hub. Qualitative data and quantitative data. Have you ever wondered what the differences are between these two types of data? Or perhaps you're studying statistics and trying to understand these concepts more in depth? In this video, we'll provide an overview of both types of data, their respective strengths and weaknesses, key differences between them, and when to use each type. Understanding qualitative data. Qualitative data refer to non-numeric data that cannot be easily quantified. This type of data are often collected through open-ended surveys, interviews, or observations. Considered to be descriptive and often subjective, which means that they can vary depending on the individual's interpretation. For example, if you ask people about their favorite color, their responses will vary, and it would be challenging to quantify this data. Qualitative data can be nominal or ordinal. Both types are identified by category. Nominal can't be organized by order, while ordinal can be. For example, when categorizing names, gender, or even dog breeds, they can't be ordered. While data resulted from survey grades, as A, B and C, or ratings, poor, good, excellent, can be placed in order. Qualitative data strengths and weaknesses. Qualitative data provide more in-depth detailed information, which allows the exploration of new ideas and concepts. That is essential in fields such as social sciences and market research. However, qualitative data are often subjective, which can lead to biased interpretations and difficulties in comparing results. Understanding quantitative data. Quantitative data, on the other hand, refer to numerical data that can be measured or counted. Considered as being objective, providing statistical analysis that is often more reliable and accurate. For example, if you ask people how many hours they sleep each night, you can quantify this data and determine the average number of hours slept. Quantitative data can be discrete or continuous. Discrete data take on countable values, whole and positive numbers only. Example, dealing with number of people in a house, or pages in a book. We usually use bar charts to graph discrete data. Continuous data are measured and can be split into smaller and smaller units. They can take decimal, fraction, or negative number. Simply as our age, that can be measured in years, months, days, and even hours. Or travel distance, that can be in kilometers and meters. Frequently, we'll use histograms and scatterplots to graph continuous data. Quantitative data strengths and weaknesses. Providing statistical analysis, allowing comparisons between different data and therefore being more reliable and accurate than qualitative data. However, quantitative data do not provide as much detail or context as qualitative data and can be limiting in its exploration of new ideas and concepts. Key differences between qualitative and quantitative data. Data are classified into qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative data are descriptive and subjective, while quantitative data are objective. Qualitative data are non-numeric and descriptive, while quantitative data are numerical, counted or measured. Qualitative data can be nominal as dog breeds, gender, or ordinal as ratings or surveys, while quantitative can be discrete, counted as number of students in a class, or continuous, measured as distance. Qualitative data provide detailed information allowing exploring new ideas or concepts. Quantitative data provide statistical analysis allowing comparisons. Additionally, qualitative data are often collected through open-ended questions, while quantitative data are collected through closed-ended questions or structured surveys. So when to use qualitative or quantitative data? Choosing between qualitative and quantitative data depends on the research question being asked. Qualitative data are more useful when exploring new concepts, while quantitative data are better suited for answering specific questions and providing statistical analysis. In some cases, it may be useful to use both types of data to provide a more comprehensive understanding of the topic being studied. So there you have it, an overview of qualitative and quantitative data. Remember, each type of data has its strengths and weaknesses, and the appropriate type of data depends on the research question being asked. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying the difference between these two data types. You may also don't want to miss the upcoming video, in which we will present a real-life practical scenario that showcases the application of both qualitative and quantitative data analysis techniques in combination for better results and a more comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. AI Hub. Creating tomorrow's AI today.